What if you could turn one idea into a complete video and now invoke Dreamina Seedance 2.0 directly inside CapCut Video Studio? Sounds awesome, right? Yes, indeed. This is what I made using CapCut Video Studio on CapCut Web with Dreamina Seedance 2.0, helping generate dynamic shots, smooth motion, and a connected visual flow. In this video, I will show how I used CapCut Video Studio to move from one idea to a generated storyboard, then used Dreamina Seedance 2.0 to bring the shots to life with stronger action, camera movement, and visual continuity. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm trying CapCut Video Studio, a timeline-free Canva-based AI production workspace on CapCut Web. Instead of opening a blank timeline and manually planning every clip, I can start with a simple idea and build the whole video step by step. The workflow goes from idea to brief to storyboard, generation of course, AI editing, and finally export. What is important here is control. CapCut Video Studio lets me organize the creative direction on an infinite canvas, while Dreamina Seedance 2.0 helps generate shots with clear motion, action, and camera language. For beginners, it makes the process easier to start, and for PUGC creators and semi-pro creators, it makes the workflow faster because ideas, references, generated shots, and edits can all stay connected in one space. For this demo, I'm going to create a short visual story. The idea is simple. A young creator walks through a futuristic city in the morning and discovers a hidden creative studio. That is the whole starting point. No camera, no crew, no editing experience needed. The goal is not just to generate a random AI clip. I want a short sequence with a clear mood, connected shots, visible movement, and a final reveal that feels polished. First, I go to the CapCut website. Then I open CapCut Web and click into Video Studio. Now, this is where the creation process begins. The first thing I notice is that it does not feel like a traditional editing timeline. It feels more like an infinite creative canvas where I can plan, generate, compare, and refine the video in one place. I love it. Now, that matters because the video is not only about getting one good-looking shot. I need a sequence where the movement, the shot direction, and the visual rhythm feel intentional. Now I paste in my idea. A young creator walks through a futuristic city in the morning and discovers a hidden creative studio. From here, CapCut Video Studio helps turn the idea into a more complete creative brief and storyboard. The generated brief and storyboard are not locked. I can freely modify them based on my own ideas, changing the mood, adjusting the structure, rewriting details, or steering the visual direction before generation. That makes the workflow feel more controlled. Instead of asking where do I even start, the AI gives me a starting structure and I can keep shaping it until it matches what I want. CapCut Video Studio also supports multimodal video generation, so the input does not have to be only text. I can use text, I can use links, pictures, and videos as references to guide the result. This is very useful when I already have a visual style, maybe a product reference, a location idea, or a sample shot I want the AI to understand. So for this video, the AI turns my idea into 5 generated scenes with a simple flow: city atmosphere, character movement, discovery, reveal, and final creative space movement. I do not need to create every scene one by one. I can use the storyboard as a high-level plan, then adjust the brief and storyboard freely before generating. Once the storyboard looks good, I move into generation. CapCut Video Studio now lets me invoke Dreamina Seedance 2.0 directly inside the Video Studio workflow. Now that's awesome. This is where I want to highlight the model itself. Dreamina Cedance 2.0 is useful for shots that need movement, a walking subject, maybe a camera push-in, a reveal, a shift in lighting, or a more dynamic transition between moments. Now for this project, I'm looking for three things: clear action, smooth camera movement, and connected visual style across the 5 generated scenes. Instead of typing one prompt and hoping it works, I can generate from a storyboard, review the results on the canvas, and keep the video direction consistent. After the scenes are generated, I can review and refine them. Maybe I want the camera movement to feel slower. Maybe I want the reveal to be brighter. Maybe I want the walking shot to feel more stable, or the transition between two shots to feel smoother. The key point is that I do not need to manually rebuild everything. I can communicate with the AI agent and ask for precise edits in natural language. For example, I can say, make the final reveal brighter, slow down the camera movement, keep the character centered, or make the action feel more fluid. Now that makes editing feels much more direct, and I can focus on the result I want, while the AI agent helps apply the changes. The biggest difference for me is that CapCut Video Studio is not just a generator. It feels like an AI production workspace. I can start with an idea, build and freely modify the brief and storyboard, generate 5 connected scenes, refine the shots with Dreamina Cedance 2.0, and use the AI agent for precise editing. Because everything is organized on an infinite canvas, I can see the project clearly instead of getting lost inside a traditional timeline too early. Awesome, right? Yes, indeed. And for beginners, that means less friction. For PUGC creators, it means faster iteration, more control, and more room to test visual directions. Just look at these stunning results.
The city wakes up in neon mist, but I'm looking for something deeper than the lights. They say the best ideas are hidden in plain sight. Wait, ... There it is, the signal, the gateway to a new dimension of creativity. It's real, a minimalist sanctuary for digital dreamers. Everything I need to build the future is right here at my fingertips. Are you ready to create something extraordinary today? The future is waiting.
From one simple idea, I now have a short visual story with connected scenes, dynamic shots, smooth movement, and a polished reveal. I love it. And I did it inside CapCut Video Studio using Dreamina Cedance 2.0 and AI agent editing instead of starting from a complicated timeline. Isn't that cool? Yes, it is. So my takeaway is this: if you have an idea but do not know how to turn it into a video, CapCut Video Studio makes the process much easier. You can start literally from text, from links, from pictures or videos. You can build a brief and storyboard, freely adjust them, generate 5 connected scenes, and refine the result by communicating with the AI agent. And now with Dreamina Cedance 2.0 can be invoked inside CapCut Video Studio, which makes it especially useful for stronger action, shots movement, and more controlled video generation. So yeah, if you want to give it a try it on CapCut Web. Use the 300+ free credits and try Dreamina Cedance 2.0 once for free. Link in the description. Go check it out. CapCut Video Studio. You're welcome. And guys, thanks for watching as usual. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I'm here to help you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos and case studies like this one on the best AI tools on the planet. Bye-bye.